A food processor is an amazing tool for creating a huge variety of dishes and recipes with very minimal effort. You can slice just about anything, from large quantities of vegetables to blocks of cheese, within just a few seconds. If you're on a budget, don't worry. There are several steps you can take to find the best food processor under $100 and still receive a great product without sacrificing quality. We have compiled a list best 5 food processor, which will help you to look for the one which suits you. So, let's start number 5. Black Plus Decker 8-Cup Food Processor. Driven by 450 watt power, the Black Plus Decker 8-Cup Food Processor is great for chopping, dicing, mincing, slicing, and more. The 8-cup work bowl accommodates large quantities of whatever delicious dish you create, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and easy. The large capacity gives you plenty of room to work with when creating peanut butter, hummus, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. Number 4. KitchenAid 5-Cup Cordless Chopper. Designed with a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the new KitchenAid cordless food chopper delivers optimal runtime and performance. It's easy to charge with a convenient charger included, which works on all products across the cordless suite. Its compact design includes a 5-cup BPA-free work bowl with convenient in-bowl accessory storage. Equipped with 2 speed settings to mix, chop, puree and whip a variety of dishes from a chunky pico de gallo to a hearty hummus, whipped cream and more. Number 3. KitchenAid KFP0718 CU7-Cup Food Processor. Easy to use, clean and store. This 7-cup food processor features an innovative design with a one-click, twist-free, bowl assembly and latched lid that is very easy to use and clean. The blade and disc fit inside the bowl to make storage easy. Simple controls with 3 speed options, high, low and pulse, handle a variety of ingredients with precision, and the easy press paddles and illuminated LED controls make operation simple. Chop, puree, shred and slice everything from cucumbers to tomatoes, cheeses and more with the reversible medium slicing, shredding disc and multi-purpose blade. A variety of shapes and sizes can be processed in the 2-in-1 feed tube located on the lid. The small pusher features a small oil drizzle opening for emulsifying sauces and dressings. Number 2. Ninja Express Chop. The Ninja Express Chop is adorable, but it only has 200 watt power. It can chop a lot of smaller ingredients, such as garlic, herbs, nuts, and wet foods. For larger ingredients like cabbage or frozen bananas, I have to spend extra time pre-chopping. One thing I really love about this little food chopper is that it's so small and simple. It fits well in my little kitchen and gets the job done for the basics. It's designed really well and the splash guard can also be used as a storage lid. I wouldn't recommend this for someone looking to chop larger foods in big portions. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor. With the Hamilton Beach Bowl Scraper Food Processor, there's no need to stop and remove the lid to dislodge food from the side of the bowl. The built-in scraper does the work for you, even while the processor is on for continuous processing. Kitchen tips. For a more uniform consistency, start with pieces of food that are similar in size. Cut food into 1-inch, 2.5 centimeters pieces before processing with the chopping, mixing blade and leave room in the bowl for the food to be tossed around. When chopping foods, pulsing on and off will produce the best results. Most foods can be sliced, chopped, or shredded in seconds. Overall, this is a great decent-sized and affordable blender with good power for most recipes.